Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel for another exciting Chinese recipe. In this episode, we're making a salad using the dried Yamakurage, aka Gong in Chinese or lettuce stem in English, which is supposed to be one of the exquisite dried vegetables eaten by the emperors in China. I'm not sure how real the legend is, but one thing for sure about this dried veggie is it is the most crunchy vegetable I've ever had, which made it so addictive. To start, let's rehydrate the dried lettuce stem by soaking it in tap water for 2 hours. At the same time, we are going to rehydrate 3 dried tofu skin sticks. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt to soften the tofu skin. Two hours later, wash and drain the lettuce stem. Remove any part that is dark brown. Then cut the veggie into 1-inch long segments. Cut the tofu skin into 1-inch pieces too. In a pot with boiling water, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Boil the tofu skin and simmer for about 2 minutes. Drain and set aside. Blanch the lettuce stem for about 2 minutes. Soak the blanched veggie in cold water. Then drain thoroughly. In a large bowl, put in the well-drained veggie and tofu skin. Half a cup of smashed garlic, 1 tablespoon of dried red pepper flakes. Three tablespoons sugar, white or brown. 2 tablespoons of dark rice vinegar. I added 1 tablespoon initially and later added more to achieve that sweet and sour taste. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. In a pan, heat up 3 tablespoons of cooking oil with 1 tablespoon Sichuan peppercorns. Wait until the peppercorns turn dark, switch off the heat and pour the hot oil on top of the ingredients. One and a half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. And here is when I added 1 more tablespoon of dark rice vinegar. Mix again. Serve. The salad is a perfect combination of savory, sweet, and sour tastes. The crunchy lettuce stem made it so addictive, you'll have to try in order to get what an emperor feels at his dinner table. Well, thanks for staying through the end of the video, and hope you enjoy the recipe while becoming more into the rich Chinese food culture. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Until next time, happy cooking.